How to delete repost on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's get started. Open TikTok app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now select a video. So for demo, let me repost this video. Tap share icon on this video at bottom right and select repost. Now this video has been reposted. To delete, repost or remove the repost, simply you need to choose this particular post and select the share icon at bottom right, and then you need to select remove repost. If you have a lot of reposted video, you can view it on your profile, selecting profile icon at bottom right. Tap on the repost icon. So these are all your reposted videos. If you want to delete, select particular video. Again, tap on the share icon at bottom right and select remove repost. So in this way, you can easily remove all your reposted videos on TikTok. Now you know how to remove reposts on TikTok. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.